How to easily add date picker calendar dropdown in Microsoft Excel. So what you're going to do first is open up your Excel and right click on any white blank space above here. On the ribbon, you'll be able to see this option to customize the ribbon. Press on that and go here to the right tab and toggle developer. Then just go ahead and press on OK. A new developer tab will open up. Just go ahead and press on that and then go to add-ins. In add-ins, you can go ahead here to your store first, and then you can go ahead and search for date picker. Like so, date picker, and then press on search. You'll have this option and these other stuff, but we're gonna focus on this one, which is the mini calendar and date picker. Press on add and press on continue. You can move it around if you like, but hopefully this helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.